Benue, State Governor Samuel Ortom, who graced the occasion, readily welcomed the opportunity to bear his mind on a couple of recent national concerns.
I want to also use this opportunity to appreciate my colleagues and the people of the southern part of Nigeria. 17 governors coming together to adopt ranching as the global best practice and the best practice in the southern Nigeria. I commend them. I appreciate them. You have not done anything strange. It is what we started in 2016. And it is what also the Northern Governors Forum met some time ago and adopted, that moving forward in this country, we must adopt ranching.
Ortom equally disclosed plans to introduce vernacular in its school curriculum from the next academic session.
We must find a way of teaching vernacular in our schools.
When we talk of communication, or now we call it what we call the social media, and then brothers and sisters, of all that it has, don't mind the aberrations, it is meant to uplift humanity and to uplift society.
World Communications Day, a celebration called for by the Second Vatican Council, is marked in most countries on the recommendation of bishops on the Sunday before Pentecost.